A great thumbnail can be the difference between a video getting a few hundred views or going viral. That's why I tested 7 free AI thumbnail makers to see which ones actually create eye-catching thumbnails that people want to click. I compared them based on design quality, AI features, customization, ease of use, and overall results. Here's my ranking. Starting at number 7 is Quillbot.com. While it's mainly known as an AI writing assistant, it also offers AI-powered creative tools that can help with thumbnail ideas, titles, and content planning. At number 6, we have Civi.ai. This AI design platform automatically generates professional-looking graphics and thumbnails from simple text prompts. It's a great choice if you want quick designs without starting from scratch. Coming in at number 5 is one of 10.com. This tool is built specifically for YouTube creators. It analyzes successful thumbnails and helps you create designs that have a higher chance of getting more clicks. At number 4 is testmythumbnail.com. Instead of creating thumbnails, this tool helps you test how your thumbnail will look on different devices and compare multiple versions to choose the one that's most likely to perform better. Taking the number 3 spot is Wayin.ai. This tool genuinely surprised me during testing. It creates high-quality AI thumbnail designs with excellent layouts, strong visual hierarchy, and eye-catching colors. In several tests, the results actually looked better than what I could make in Canva with minimal effort. Coming in at number 2 is InVideo.ai. Besides AI video generation, it also includes powerful thumbnail creation features, allowing you to generate attractive thumbnails that match your video's content in just a few clicks. And my number 1 pick is Pixels.com. It consistently produced the most professional-looking thumbnails during my testing. The AI understands YouTube-style designs, creates bold text layouts, high-contrast visuals, and attention-grabbing compositions that are optimized for higher click-through rates. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, gaming content, tutorials, tech reviews, podcasts, or educational videos, these AI tools can help you design thumbnails much faster without needing professional design skills. If your goal is getting more clicks and making your videos stand out in 2026, Pixels.com is easily my top recommendation. The quality, speed, and AI-powered designs make it the best free AI thumbnail maker I tested.